Hey, Pop, is she okay?
She was clean. That's what I'm explaining to him.
That's why we was talking.
She was clean for a couple of weeks. Then she came to do a little bit because they withdraw all that shit. So she did. Yeah, she's fine.
Flies on. Hey, how y'all doing, ladies? Yo, my G, you okay, bro? Hey, how you doing? You alright, bro? Oh, man. This guy need help, too. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. I'm trying to make sure you alright. You good? I think I know you, too. She okay now, though?
Right? You're not recording?
No.
Okay.
She okay now, though?
Yeah, she's fine. She's good.
All right. My bad, G.
Bro, get up.
Yo, Ma. Yo, Ma.
Yo, bro, get up.
You gotta get up, bro.
Get up, bro. That nigga nah.
Is he alright?
Yeah, he alright. That's what you do every day. Bro, get up. Told you alright.
Thanks, bro.
Get up, bro.
He was good. Hey fellas, you guys okay? Just checking on you, making sure you alright, man. See y'all was laid out over here. My man, how about your boy? Smoke a little bit. Alright, Brody, I'm gonna see you around, okay? Yo, my God. Yo, my God. Yo, my God. Can't get nobody else. Yo, bro, I'm about to hit you with Narcan. Want to get Narcan? You okay, G? 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 Good, G? That's my boy right there. Oh, sorry, bro. God, this person right here. Check on him. Oh. You alright, G? You look like you still breathing. You look like you in a bad position. Just checking on you, G. You okay? Yeah. Kind of scared me there. You good, Poppy?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks. Appreciate you.
All right. God bless you, my brother.
Bless you too.